Hello, welcome to the Fixer King, brought to you by Carl, your friendly neighborhood real estate broker. Today we have a fan that's probably pretty old and it's not really working very well, kind of noisy and loud, and we're going to show you how to change it out. This is part one of a two-part series, so here I go. I'm going to have a migraine here pretty soon. These lights. So you take off the lens. Take out the screws. From here it's fairly simple. You just unplug the light. And then you take out the screw here. And that's how you get it out. And then you go and you get the model number. And then you go to the internet and you find a new motor for it. And once we get that new motor in it, we'll be doing part two on how to put it back together. So, if you have any questions about buying a home, selling a home, or fixing a home, feel free to ask. I'm here to help. Thanks so much. Bye.